How to withdraw money from Trust Wallet to bank account. Let's get started. So first thing you want to do on a web browser is open the Trust Wallet extension on Google Chrome or whatever browser you have, and then unlock your wallet. Then after that, from the menu, select the buy and sell button and then navigate to the sell tab. And from there, you can choose the currency you want to sell and enter the amount. And then select the fiat currency you want to receive in return. So it's the currency that you want to receive after you sell your crypto or whatever you're selling. And then pick your preferred payment provider from the available options. Then following the remaining steps to take the money out of the Trust Wallet to your bank account. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So if you're using a different browser, it seems to be the similar process and same basic steps. So using a mobile phone, you can go to your Trust Wallet app and then open your wallet. Then after that, select the sell option from the main screen and choose the coin you want to sell, enter the amount you want to sell, and then select the ramp button. Then choose the fiat currency you want to receive, verify the amount, and then tap the proceed button. Then enter your email to receive the verification code, and then enter the code and add your billing address and the payout details. And then select your send with your wallet to transfer the crypto. And lastly, review the transaction and then tap confirm. And that is how you can withdraw money from Trust Wallet to your bank account.